welcome to today's edition of Thursday Health Tips with Lyle. So on today's edition, I'll be talking about the Lassa fever outbreak in Nigeria, and it has been reported in 20 states in Nigeria, including the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Lassa fever is a viral infection that's caused by Lassa virus, and the host is in most cases and usually a rat. And the name of this rat is a multi-mammate rat. You can see the spelling on the screen, a multi-mammate rat. One of the features of this multi-mammate rat is that they produce a large number of offspring and they colonize human homes, and you can find them areas where food is stored. Once this multi-mammate rat is infected, they can excrete this virus in their urine for an extended period of time. Contamination can be via inhalation or ingestion, that is inhaling tiny particles in a room contaminated with the excretions of the infected rats, and also through ingestion. For example, some of these infected rats, they colonize homes. They are mostly found in the homes, and then they come and then they eat some of our foods, and then we still eat the same food, or we touch objects that have been infected by the excretion, and then we put that same hand in our mouths, or we use that same hand to cook our food, and then our food gets contaminated. And this is one of the ways in which this contamination can occur. Transmission can also occur from person to person, that is from an infected person to a non-infected person, through body fluids. So what are the things that we can do to prevent this Lassa fever from happening to us? Number one is keeping our food safe, that is keeping our food in tight closed container where this rat cannot get access to, and cooking our foods very well, cleaning surfaces in our houses, and cleaning our house regularly, and maintaining a clean environment such that we can get rid of this rodent. Washing our hands regularly. We touch a lot of things in our houses, so you never can tell whether an infected rat has touched or come in contact with this place. So cleaning them, washing our hands regularly is very important. What are the ways in which we can prevent being infected with Lassa fever? Just very basic things that we have to do. Number one, clean our houses regularly. Clean surfaces in your houses to get rid of excretions of this infected rat from the surfaces in the kitchen, in the rooms, and everywhere. Number two, you keep your food in tight containers where this rat cannot get access to. And number three, you wash your hands regularly, because we touch a lot of surfaces in our houses and we never can tell whether the surfaces are infected or not. So wash your hands regularly. Get rid of waste when you have to get rid of them from your house. Most importantly, do not eat foods that rats have eaten. For example, we keep noodles in our houses and then we find out that a rat has just eaten a small part of these noodles. Rather than just cutting that part that the rat had eaten, just throw everything away to prevent yourself from being infected. Remember, 20 states in Nigeria have reported cases of Lassa fever, and even in the Federal Capital Territory, so it can be anywhere. So try to prevent yourself from getting Lassa fever. I hope you've learned one or two things today, and do not forget to spread this news to somebody else. We have rats everywhere, and Lassa fever is jumping from one state to another in Nigeria. See you next week. Bye.